What if you could make your ideas real just by typing a sentence? Hi, I'm from AI Gyani, and today I'll show you Google's new tool, Veo 3. It's an AI video maker that turns your words into high-quality videos just by writing a simple prompt. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to use Veo 3, how to write good prompts, and how to get the best results, even if you've never used any AI video tool before. And the best part? You can use it for free for 1 whole month. Let's get started. So, what is Google Veo 3? Veo 3 is Google's newest AI video maker, made by DeepMind. It lets you create amazing videos just by typing what you want to see. Veo 3 understands things like camera movement, lighting, and how a scene should look, so your videos look smooth and professional, better than most other AI tools. But here's what makes Veo 3 special. It doesn't just make video. It also adds sound by itself. For example,
they left behind a ball today. It bounced higher than I can jump.
Oh, what manner of magic is that?
you can get background music, nature sounds, and even voice narration if you want the video to say something. All you need to do is type it in your prompt. To use Veo 3, you need a paid plan. But the good news is, you can try it free for the first month. This gives you time to see everything Veo 3 can do. You can check the plans on the screen, and both plans give you access to Veo 3 and other Google AI tools, plus lots of storage for your files. After you sign up, go to the Veo 3 website and log in with your Google account. You'll see the Gemini chat screen. At the bottom, there's a place to type your prompt and some tools. Click on Video to turn on Veo 3. Now, you can start typing what you want your video to show. For example, let's try a slow-motion video of hot bread being taken out of the oven. You can add more details, like in a bright and cozy kitchen, with warm, soft lighting. Focus on the bread. Steam coming from the bread. Happy background music. The more details you give, the better your video will turn out. Another great feature, Veo 3 can also add voice to your video. If you want the video to say something, just write those words in quotes at the end of your prompt. Submit. Veo 3 will add this narration to your video.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the wildest kitchen on earth. I am Chef Bongo. Would you eat this jungle-style pizza?
When you're happy with your video, downloading it is easy. Just hover over the video, click the download button in the top right, and you'll get an MP4 file to use anywhere you want. If you're not sure how to write a good prompt, you can ask Gemini for help. Just type, "Can you help me write a cinematic video prompt about a team of bakers making the world's largest bread?" Gemini will suggest a detailed prompt, including camera angles, lighting, music, and more. You can use this prompt as it is, or change it to fit your idea. If you want to see your old videos, look on the left side of the Gemini screen under Recent. Click any chat to see the video you made before. So, with Veo 3, you can turn your ideas into real videos just by typing. Is it real or AI? Sometimes it's hard to tell. But you can make amazing things with just your imagination and a few words. Thanks for watching AI Gyani. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy AI tips. See you next time.